Friend, today we are doing the poetry Childhood. Let me tell in the gist what is there in this poetry. In this poem, the poet wonders when he lost his childhood and the innocence he had. He became conscious that he no longer sees the world as he did earlier, and he can sense the hypocrisy in people. He recalled many instances in his life when he could have lost his childhood. He wondered if it was the day he ceased to be 11 or he realized that hell and heaven didn't exist in the world and no one could find them in the geography. Next, he talks about the possibility when he realized that adults are not what they seem to be and they are hypocrites. They talk and preach of love, but their actions don't say so. Was it the day when he realized that his mind was his own and capable of producing his own thought? No, one could own that, and he is an individual with his particular personality. In the last stanza, he talks about the whereabouts of his childhood. He concludes that it has gone to some forgotten place and it can only be found in the innocent face of the infant. Now, explanation. I am explaining you the first stanza. Went till day. Ceased means come to an end. Ceased means come to an end. In the above lines, the poet wonders about when his childhood came to an end. He asks himself, was it the day he was no longer 11 years old? Was it the day when he realized that hell and heaven existed and yet could not be found in geography or on the map? He realized they are imaginary places that actually do not exist in the world. Second stanza, went till day. Preach means talked or spoken. In the above stanza, this one, the poet again repeats the same question about when did his childhood go. He wonders about the day when he started seeing the world with a new perceptions that adults are hypocrites and are not what they seem to be. The adults who talk to love and preach of love and yet not behave so lovingly. They are double-faced in reality. Was that the day when his childhood go? Now the third stanza. Went till day. In the third stanza, the poet deliberates on the same question about when he lost his childhood. He asks himself about possibilities. He wonders about the day he realized that his mind was his own and could use it the way he wants. When he realized that he could produce his own thought, which were no bound by anyone. When he sensed his own individuality and a separate personality, was that day he lost his childhood. Now, the last stanza. In the last stanza, the poet remotes about his old childhood. Remorse means came to the thought of his old childhood. He concludes that his childhood had gone to some forgotten place, which will never come back. He cherished his innocence, which vanished now and could be only seen in baby's face. He only has sweet memories of his childhood, which would soon fade away. He also conveyed a message that the innocence of childhood stays till the time one is an infant, and that is all he knows. The poetic device that has been used, rationalism. The poet rationalized the lost childhood when he was 11 and when he found out that hell and heaven don't exist and are not found in the geography. Rhyming scheme is A, B, B, C, C and D, D. Refrain means a good or phrase which is repeated in the poem. When did my childhood go? Was that day? Individuality. In stanza 3, the poet realized that he can use his own mind and can produce his own thoughts. He discovered a sense of individuality in himself. Alliterations. The occurrence of the same letter of sound at the beginning of closely connected words. The time, my mind, whichever way, thoughts that. Inversion, when the subject verb order is reversed, to use whichever way I choose. Thank you, students.